How to fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. So the very first thing to do here is to simply restart your computer. That's the first method. You just have to go to this area and then tap restart and then open your Roblox again. Now, if this one didn't work, you can go to your search icon here and then type run. And then you just have to follow this one person symbol, update the person symbol, click OK. Now go to app data and look for Roblox folder and then delete that one. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is deleting. So don't worry, this is just temporary files. It will not affect anything that you have saved on your Roblox. Okay, so right click and then click delete. Okay, and then once you're done with this, what you're going to do now is to simply go to any web browser. This time I am using a Google web browser, and then you just have to search for roblox.com. Okay, and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you just have to select any game here, for example this one, and then click this green button. Now wait for a couple of seconds, and then what you're going to do is to simply click this download and install Roblox. So you will see it right here. Something will pop up that says or notify that it is now starting to download. Once done, you just have to open the folder here. Okay, and then locate Roblox. Then after that, right click and then tap run as administrator. And you just have to wait for a couple of minutes. Then Roblox will just appear, and all you have to do is to log in your account. Now, if this one didn't work, or if there's something wrong with your Google Chrome, it's okay. You can just simply go to your Microsoft Store, go to the search icon here, type Microsoft Store, and then once you're here, all you have to do is simply enter or look for Roblox. Okay, and then once you found Roblox, all you have to do is just simply tap get, because Roblox here is for free. As easy as that. So that's how to fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.